Hello everyone, today we're making chicken tinga tacos. Start by turning on your stove to medium heat. In a large pot with about 4 quarts of water, add 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 bay leaves, 1 smashed garlic clove, and a quarter of an onion. Once the water is boiling, add 4 chicken breasts and cook until done. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Once done, remove chicken and set aside. Also remove your onion and garlic and set aside. Add 5 Roma tomatoes to a blender. Next, add your onion and your garlic, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 more garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of cumin, add 3 chipotle peppers with adobo sauce, add more if you want it spicier, and half a cup of broth from your pot. Blend until smooth. Shred your chicken. Next, add half of a large sliced onion to a pan with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté on medium heat until translucent, then add your shredded chicken and give it a quick mix. Add your sauce and mix until well blended. Reduce your heat to low and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. You are ready to serve. We made tacos with our chicken tinga. You can also make tostadas, taquitos, or burritos. Whatever you decide, it will definitely not disappoint. We hope you liked this video and consider subscribing. Enjoy!